Across sub-Saharan Africa, improving agriculture requires more than boosting yields. Challenges after harvest, especially those affecting storage and market quality, continue to limit food security. One issue, in particular, strongly affects grain systems across the region. A major post-harvest challenge, which also contributes to others, is grain moisture content that remains too high due to improper grain moisture management. For example, grains like maize and rice must be dried to safe moisture levels of around 13 to 14% for storage to preserve quality, ensure market acceptance, and prevent spoilage. When this is not done, entire stocks can be lost, compromising national reserves, disrupting supply chains, and diminishing returns across the grain value chain. In Ghana alone, post-harvest losses, including mycotoxin contamination made much worse by high moisture content, account for about 319,000 tons or 18% of the country's annual maize production in 2021. These figures highlight the need for reliable and accessible tools to help farmers and grain buyers assess moisture content before storage and ensure drying is sufficient. One such tool is the GrainMate moisture meter. This handheld, electronic moisture meter is portable, battery-powered, and can quickly test grain from various types of crops including maize, rice, wheat, and groundnuts. Insert the probe, select the crop, and the device displays moisture content, temperature, and more within minutes. This solution is already in use and delivering results. Sesa Technologies has sold thousands of GrainMate meters to farmers, aggregators, feed producers, and non-profit organizations involved in the grain value chain. Additionally, more than 10,000 farmers across Ghana have been trained to use the device through 200 farmer-based organizations. The benefits extend beyond individual farmers to include processors, traders, and national food systems, where grain quality and storage reliability are critical to economic and food security outcomes. Building on these results, several models are emerging to scale the use of GrainMate across sub-Saharan Africa. Private sector actors, cooperatives, and governments are all playing a role. In Ghana, Kenya, and Rwanda, the device is being used in training by extension services. NGOs support distribution and training, while local entrepreneurs offer mobile testing services. These collaborative approaches help reduce access barriers and expand the reach of the solution. Scan this QR code to visit TAAT's e-catalogs. You'll find more information about GrainMate technology and contact details for experts who can help you make the most of this solution for your project or business. Invest in agriculture, invest in the future. TAAT, Technologies for African Agriculture Transformation.